Hello बच्चों, let's have a look at this question which says explain giving reasons. AgI2 complex is more stable than AgF2 complex minus. So here we have to figure out why iodide complex is more stable than the one containing fluoride ion. The key concept is HSAB principle. What is HSAB principle? It is hard, soft, acids and bases principle. तो सबसे पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि एसिड्स एंड बेसिस को हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट कैटेगरी में हम कैसे क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो जो ल्यूइस एसिड्स एंड बेसिस हैं, these can be classified into hard acids, hard base, soft acids, and soft bases. अब कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट एसिड्स कौन से होंगे? तो हार्ड एसिड्स एंड सॉफ्ट हार्ड बेसेस हैव स्मॉल साइज. Okay, both of these have a small size, whereas the soft category is characterized by having large size. तो इन दोनों का साइज बड़ा होगा. They have weak polarizability. Similarly, hard base will also have weak polarizability, but these soft acids and soft base will have high polarizability. Another thing is that जो hard acids होंगे, they will have a high positive charge. Okay, so we can identify hard acids because these have high positive charge. Hard bases, whereas, have high electronegativity. Similarly, soft acids have low positive charge and soft bases have intermediate electronegativity. So these were few characteristics जिससे हम hard acids and bases और soft acids and bases को identify कर सकते हैं. तो अगर हम इनके examples देख लें थोड़े से, तो these include titanium 4+, etc. Hard bases के examples हैं OH hydroxide, fluoride, chloride, etc. Soft acids के example हैं Ag plus silver ion, BF3, etc. और soft bases के examples हैं cyanide ion, iodide ion, etc. जो क्वेश्चन में हमें कॉम्प्लेक्स दिए हैं उसके आयन्स हम देख लेते हैं. That is silver, iodide and fluoride. So silver is present here. That is soft acid. Fluoride is hard base and iodide is soft base. अब हम HSAB प्रिंसिपल समझ लेते हैं क्या है. तो HSAB प्रिंसिपल दैट इज hard soft acids and bases principle. It is based on the fact that like reacts with like. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ that hard acids form stronger bonds with hard bases. Similarly, soft bases or soft acids form stronger bond or stronger complex with soft acids. That is why AgI2 complex is more stable than AgF2 minus complex, because this complex is having soft combination, whereas this have soft hard combination of acids and bases. Okay, तो हमने principle में देखा that hard acids form stronger complex with hard bases and soft acids form stronger complex with soft acids. So this is a soft combination, इसलिए this complex is more stable than AgF2 complex. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.